We're headed to Hanksville this morning. We got a call for a Ford Transit van. And apparently another recovery company showed up, pulled them out, and they got stuck. I guess they used them to winch themselves out of the sand and somehow broke the tie rod on the vehicle. We've got Mike on the camera. Hey guys. We've got Sean hiding in the back. Sean!
Oh. Morning.
Oh, morning.
Oh, yeah.
So what did you call this? Catherine Rock?
Catherine Rock, yeah.
She must have been a nice lady.
Anyway, we're gonna go right up here on the other side of Catherine Rock, go that way, out into the land of sand, and go find a transit van. There you go. You can do it. No, it's cold. There.
All right, so here is the situation. Nice little van. It's a very cool spot, I'll give them that. Maybe not a great spot for vans.
Just pull your Jeep right here.
Uh-huh.
And we'll use your winch to straighten it out. Straighten the tire.
Where they at? They abandoned ship?
I don't know, they said they were here.
Oh. Maybe they're sleeping still.
Go ahead, Ian.
Man, now that is some power steering.
All right. Good.
Access granted.
Tie rod.
You win.
You are.
What did I get?
You get a boot.
This is a boot.
This boot.
If we turned this way, it would be better. So we can access it. But I told them, I said, yeah, we'll be there at 11 in the morning. Or about 11 in the morning. And they said, all right, we'll be there.
Send him a smoke signal, Sean.
Oh. They didn't get it.
Dang it. Maybe they're trying to send us a smoke signal.
This was a couple of days ago.
This is where the Indians used to get service.
Right.
All right, cool.
They're probably hiking out trying to look for us.
No, they're,
Oh.
sounds like they're driving something.
Hello. How's it going?
It's going great. We called someone from around here. He showed up, he got stuck right there, you can see.
Yeah.
Didn't really tell me exactly what he was doing, but eventually said, is it in park with the brake on? I said, yeah. Didn't really want to question him, but he was pulling himself out. And there's, you know, the hard metal shackle around the lower control arm, I think.
Okay.
Like the hooked ones, so I think the top was pressing on the tie rod.
Ah.
And he was just pulling so hard.
Yeah.
Actually clang, and I step out, and that one's all the way turned right, and this one's straight.
Darn it.
And he said, hey, looks like you broke a tie rod. And I didn't want to argue with him at the moment, but I don't feel like I broke a tie rod at that moment, you know?
Right, right. Get her?
I think so.
Heck yeah.
This is a Bronco tie rod.
You can see the difference.
Making me proud, Sean. Scalpel.
Scalpel.
Okay, you can let off the wheel now. Oh yeah, it'll need to get aligned, but we just want to have it decent to get out of here.
Yeah, get to price.
All right, Sean. 68. 68 and a quarter. So it needs to come in about an 1/8.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's great. I can get home tonight. The dog will be happy, the boss will be happy.
Does it have a hitch on the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a receiver hitch.
Maybe backwards is the way.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I bet you had it. I thought it was gonna go.
I'm trying.
What's that?
That's how you do it.
Ooh.
So it doesn't get tangled up.
What do you call that technique?
A non-tangulator.
Non-tangulator. Nicely done. Freedom.
Man,
Not so
I
bad.
always watch the videos and, you know, it's don't run over the rope. And
It's
all
easy
that.
to do. I do
Yeah.
it all the time, don't worry.
All right, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, see ya.
It's been awesome.
If you want to be at the front, kind of giving him
Okay,
just
yeah.
directions, but yeah, and so then we'll just go along right through this, get up, spin around, and then we'll book out of here. Cool.
That's it. You doing good? Sweet. Perfect. Rally van, dude. So there we were, cruising along. She got bogged down in the soft sand. So now we are creating a tow point in the front off the, looks like lower control arms, I'm guessing.
Get the tie rods good and wrapped up too.
Yeah. We've got a long strap, so the length will keep it from damaging the front bumper.
All right, cool.
Yeah. So, I should be good from here though, because that was the first real challenge. If I get stuck, it should be soon.
Yeah, you can call us and we'll still be nearby.
Yeah.
How's the Mountain Dew today?
Very bubbly.
Boobly.
I forgot how to drink Mountain Dew, I guess.
So our van's heading off this way. We're going back the way we came.
Yank like that and pulled him up the hill.
Yeah.
Like I said, I have never been one, it's not my style, to hook up and just drive off. It's not my thing. I'm really bad at it because I like take off and then I'm like, ah.
Yeah.
And then I let out of it and then it yanks and it barely moves because it's not my style. Anyway, we are headed to Hanksville for lunch.
We should go to Swing Arm City instead.
And the last time we went to Swing Arm City, me and Mike almost crashed the Jeep.
I mean, basically.
It didn't feel good. So there it is. The van's fixed and out. They're on their way. He's heading out the other way because it was really far and we didn't want to drive that way.
It's a long ways.
So, a couple weeks ago, I did a very in-depth walk around of Trailmater, and it's up on my buddy's channel, Jailbreak Overland. He's actually the very first guy to ever video the truck and put it on YouTube. Super good guy. Like I said, did a full walk around video of the truck. I think it's a 2-part video. He put the first part up the other day, and the second one should be coming up pretty soon. Very in-depth, covers everything on the truck. Go over and check that out. I'll put a link in the description. Super cool, really in-depth discussion about the truck and the stuff that we got on it. Here we are. Mike is putting new airbags on the back of the wrecker. Ta-da! I put these on 5 years ago because I had them and I threw them on and I was like, well, that'll work for now. We'll see if they last. I didn't expect them to make it more than 6 months. They're still working, they're still holding air, but they're looking pretty peaked, so we're gonna put new ones on and keep these for backup, because if we have them for backup, we'll never need them, right, Mike?
That's the idea. It's like a raincoat.
The fact that they've done, 5 years worth of work, they're amazing. So I ordered the exact same ones. Yeah, Ride Right Firestone, Ride Right Firestone, exact same bags. They're not leaking off from the bag. They leak off because the bleeder is an electronic solenoid.
Oh,
And it gets gunk in it
I see.
because we live in a sandbox.
Right.
That one?
There it is, that's it. You know what's better than a Bronco?
What?
This van.
This van. You know how hot it would be?
Not as hot as John's mom.